Hi guys, it's Lulu from Boho Locks here. I hope everybody is doing well. I am super excited today because I'm going to be bringing you an install video for a brand new, highly requested product. So if you know our collection, you know we do have a bob in our collection, which sits around about shoulder length, armpit length, something like that. But we've long had requests for a super short bob. So that is what we are bringing you, and we're so excited to share our new product with you. So our super short bob collection comes in Boho Goddess, modeled by me, and also in Boho Majesty Twists. In a pack, you get 3 different lengths, and the idea is you mix these lengths together to get a one length result. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do a full crochet install of our Boho Majesty Twists in our super short bob. So for this install, you're going to need a wide tooth comb or any brush that you use to detangle your hair before you braid it. You're going to need a rat tail comb to do the partings when you do your cornrow base, butterfly clip, and a duck bill clip to keep the hair out the way, scissors for cutting the locks out of the pack, and of course your trusty crochet needle. So first stage I'm going to do is to detangle Mary's lovely hair. So I'm just using a wide tooth comb for this, but of course you can use your detangling brush, tangle teaser, modified Denman, whatever you're using. Obviously you're going to start from the ends and just try and detangle. You can sort of like detangle it in sections, so you don't have to go and try and detangle all of the hair. Now I know that I'm going to be starting on this side of the head, so I'm going to detangle this part, and then I will detangle as I go along as well. So on Mary's hair, I'm going to be doing a full crochet install, and I do recommend this if your hair is longer than the locks, because if you're going to do individuals and pulling them through, if your hair is longer, then it's not really going to work out. So you can get a really nice result with a full crochet install, which is what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, so I'm just going to talk you through what I've done and show you how to do the crossover method. So what I've been doing in the front of each cane row, I've been doing an individual, and I've been then braiding that then into the rest of the cane row. The reason why I'm doing the individual, so that when we crochet into here, this looks like an individual. It's a strong anchor for the individuals in the front. So what I have been doing, I've been getting the hair, I've been parting out a small section at the front, and this is where I'm going to do my individual braid, and then I'm going to plait it into here. Getting a small like centimetre squared part of hair here, and I'm just going to go ahead and do an individual braid here. You may choose to use extension hair for this. You just want to make sure that you don't get it bulky if that is what you choose to do. So you can see it's quite strong, it's quite sturdy, and it's going to provide a really good base for a crochet lock. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid it into the rest. So I'm doing the crossover method here, so I'm only going back around about 2 inches, and then I'm going to flip and continue this corner going down this side and this corner going down on this side. And what that does, it just helps the locks to fall in a more natural way with more coverage. So this cane row is now getting picked up here. We're going to pull this one into this cane right here, so we've got a nice cross here. So we've got a nice cross right here. Okay guys, so now we've come to the end of the base pretty much. We do have one outstanding strand left, and there's two ways we can hide it in with the rest of the cane rows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my crochet needle and crochet the hair in. You can also sew it in using like a weaving needle and thread. However, I prefer to do it like this just because it's just so much easier when it comes to taking it down. So we're going to select a cane row in the middle. I'm going to use this one, and we're just going to bring the hair around and in, kind of like tucking it under. Okay, so we're getting it in. And then to secure it, what we're going to do is we're going to crochet. So we're going to go under, hook on, close, pull through. So we're good, and we're going to crochet over all of this. So this is the base done. Okay, so we're going to get into this install. The lovely Mary is going to be wearing our super short bob in our Majesty twist in our blonde bronze color. This is actually a best-selling color in our Goddess collection, and we don't have it in our twist. So I just thought, hey, it's only right. Let's do it. Let's do it. So we have blonde bronze, and we're going to mix them together. Super short bob on Mary. Let's go. Guys, what I'm going to explain right now is how the lengths work and what you're supposed to do to get as close to a one length bob as you can. So we have 3 lengths in this pack. We have 6 inches, we have 8 inches, and we have 10 inches. Now the idea is we're going to use the 6 inches at the back of the head. Then we're going to use the 8 inches, maybe more towards the crown and on these 2 cane rows here. And then we're going to use the longest length at the top, because what we want is we want the longest length to hang down and to have a one length or a slightly layered effect around about chin length, like you can see on my locks here, like just so that's why we have 3 lengths in a pack. I would not recommend installing longest one first, then medium, then the shortest one. No, always start with the short, medium, and then long to get the look.
I am going to do a mini boho stretch on this just to relax the hair a little bit. And what we do is we use heat to relax the wave in the hair and to maybe achieve more of a desired look and a desired style. If you've not done the boho stretch before, go on to the lowest heat setting that you have. If you have done it before, you feel more confident, you can go on to the highest. If you have had boho locks but not boho twists and you've not done it on the twist, then go low. These react very quickly to the heat, so we just want to use a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in. So it just flattens and relaxes the hair, so I'm going to go ahead and do this on the other side as well. And one tip I do have, if you are doing the boho stretch and you're pulling the twist a little bit, do not pull the ends of the twist, because we like the curls that we have at the end of the hair, and if we stretch it through to the end, we're going to lose those. So generally stretch into the body, but not the ends of the twists.
The final thing I'm going to do with the twist is just trim off any sort of like really long or kind of straggly ends or anything like that. We're going to just go ahead and trim.
And there we have it. Mary is wearing our super short bob in our blonde Majesty twists.